come with the sixth part of GK, that is general knowledge. So let's start. In this part also we will continue the chapter in your genes. So here is some chatar related with the genes. Let's see. Again caterpillar ask, amazing bit, so that body could end up being a lion, a mouse, a shrub, a Noe, or a scientist. So amazing it is. So the scientist come and giving the answer. Hold on. Won't you like to know about the genetic code? Without knowing, how you can say that? Again caterpillar ask, you means we all have mysterious codes working inside us. Mysterious codes means genetical codes. Scientists come and said, yes, each cell of all the living things has a genetic code or the body building information. That is called gene. Means body building information or genetical code, genes. Scientists again said, this code makes us who we are. That different codes are making us different peoples, different living beings. Genes can do unintended and unexpected things, and nobody can ever be quite sure what. No one can make sure to what people can bring a which type of behavior and which type of people. So caterpillar think about that. Wow, what a way to encode the traits of an organism. Wonder how long it took nature to develop this wonderful thing, tiny yet clever machinery to build living beings. So that's why machinery cannot produce a living beings. Right? Move further. Genetic terms. In previous we have get the introduction about the genetics. Now in this we are going to get the genetic terms. Let's start. Here is the helical structure of DNA. Let's start. Base. What is base? A building blocks of DNA is known as base. What is gene mapping? Locating the position of genes in a chromosome is called gene mapping. And base are made up of 4 chemicals: adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, as I was said in the previous video. Next term is mutation. An inheritable change resulting from an alteration in DNA is called mutation. Inheritable change from generation to generation in a DNA is called mutation. Dominant. Greater influence by one of a pair of genes that affect the same inherited character. In human being, 46 chromosomes are there, that is 23 pairs, and out of that, if any 2 pairs will be dominant, then that character will be dominant in that living beings. Recessive. The failure of one of a pair of genes present in an individual to express itself because of the greater influence or dominance or its opposite acting partner. Definitely one will be dominant and second one is recessive, and recessive character will be suppressed by the dominant. Okay, move further. Here is interesting facts. Sometimes a gene does not work as it should, as the behavior and character of the genes, sometimes it will not work, or it works in a harmful way, that is the differently. The result may be a defect in a part of the body or a disease, the condition called albinism. If defected genes will be reflected on the feature of the living being, that is, this type of feature is called a disease, and that disease is a condition that is called albinism. Humans are 99.9% genetically identical. Only 0.1% genetic makeup different. Normally it is identical from one generation to another generation. Only 0.1% will be vary from one generation to the another generation. That is a different. Find out what it is. Find out what is it. Did you guess? This is albino or white tiger. Have you heard about the white tiger? Yes, white tiger is available in the world, but this can be done due to the albinism feature of the genes in the tiger. Okay. Now start the fill in the blanks, the questions. Here is the first question, and before it here is the 5 hints. So now we are going to solve 5 questions. Question number 1. In the middle of a cell is its control center, the dash. It sends instruction to the rest of the cell. The answer is nucleus. Nucleus is available in the center of the cell and it sends the instruction to the rest of the cell. Right? Controlling unit. Second question is, cells of the same type group together to form. What it will be formed? The similar type of group of cell is called, that is, tissue. Now third question is, dash is a red colored liquid tissue. Red colored liquid tissue. Yes, that is blood. Answer is blood. The fourth question is, dash is stored in the cell nucleus. What is stored in the cell nucleus? That is the DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. The fifth question is, even though you have an dash twin, your DNA is unique. DNA is unique. The answer is identical twins. The twins will be there, but their DNA unique and their fingerprint will be different in the twins. Move further. In the same chapter, fill in the blanks continued. Here is the hints. 5 hints will be there. Now here is the question number 6. Inside the nucleus, the DNA is found in thread-like structure called, yes, this is called chromosomes. Right? Thread-like structure, that is chromosome. 7th question is, a chromosome is a thread-like structure inside the cell. The controls, what they have controls? They control the heredity. from one generation to another generation. Question number 8. DNA, one of the largest known molecules, consists of two long thin strands that are wound around each other to form a spiral. This special structure is called a double helix, right? Question number 9. Dash was the first cloned ship. First cloned ship named was Dolly. The question number 10. Dash are unique to each person, even identical twins, as I said that, and that is fingerprint, right? This is a question number 10. Thank you. This is the 6th part of the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.